What are tools of the trade? Tune in and find out. Hello everyone, it's Kip, your host for Kicker Unmasked Live Weekly, every Tuesday night, 7:30 Central Time, right here on the Kicker Facebook and YouTube channels. I'm on vacation, so last Tuesday, John and Ken stepped into the studio and they did a fantastic presentation on fit input technology. It was a good time. Go check it out, it's in the feed. Next week, we have Brian Schmidt from Mobile Solutions join us, and we're going to talk about all the cool tools that you can get to make your job cooler, fancier, or even easier. That's every Tuesday night, 7:30 Central Time, right here on the Kicker Facebook and YouTube channel. And oh, by the way, this tool is for this.